Can you give us a rev while you're there doing it?
Hey.
Give us a rev.
May not start.
Oh.
Well done, son. Actually, make that really busy next week, so I'll bring it to me. I've got to take it, park it there, pick up the Monday. But anyway, we've done a super cheap. We'll make sure you I'm going to be upbeat for the rest of the day. I hope they have done. I can do that. No, I can do that. All about social dialogue.
There's the bonnet.
Is it? A bit different that one. Feel injected.
Oh, yeah, man. I'm going to need to get my bonnet open now.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm good.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Go on. You're all right.
No, on you go.
I don't even know where it goes.
See that under the corner.